Here's how to change your Facebook cover photo without posting in just a few seconds. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the camera icon on your current cover photo. From the menu at the bottom, choose Upload Photo. Now browse through your gallery and select the image you want to use as cover photo. Once everything looks good, tap Save at the top right. After saving the cover photo, Facebook automatically creates a post about the update. Find that post on your profile timeline? Tap the three dots on the top right corner of the post. Then select Hide from Profile down below, and tap on Hide from the warning pop-up as well. And that's it. You've successfully changed the cover photo without posting it on your Facebook profile.